How to run ads on Amazon Seller Central. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for sellercentral.amazon.com. Now, go ahead and sign yourself in using your Amazon seller account details if you have not signed in yet. And if you are not an Amazon seller, sign up to the Amazon seller login portal. Make sure you have a professional selling plan to access Amazon advertising tools. Navigate to the advertising tab in the top menu. Further, select Campaign Manager option to create and manage your ad campaigns. Amazon offers 3 primary ad types. You can select one based on your goals. The options are sponsored products, sponsored brands, sponsored display. Now, go ahead and select the products that you want to advertise. Choose the products you want to promote from your inventory. Ensure your product pages are optimized with clear and engaging titles, high-quality images, detailed and accurate descriptions, and competitive pricing. Set your bid accordingly and launch your campaign. So this is how you can run ads on Amazon Seller Central. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.